In today's video, I am going to teach you how to create an order form payment page on system.io. This is the exact flow you will follow inside system.io to turn a funnel step into a working order form that can take payment. As you follow along, make sure you keep an eye on the screen so you can match the buttons and icons in the same order. First, navigate to Sites and then click Sale Funnels. This takes you to the main area where you manage funnel pages and steps. Once you are there, you will see a list of your funnels, or you may see options to start a new one. Take a moment to confirm you are in the correct section before moving on, because the next actions depend on selecting the right funnel. Next, select your funnel, or click Create if you need to build one from scratch. Choosing an existing funnel is helpful when you already have traffic and pages set up. Clicking Create is useful when you are starting fresh. After you select the funnel, system.io will load the funnel editor where you can add and customize steps. Now you will add a new step and select Order Form. This is the core piece of the workflow. The order form step is what collects the order details and connects the purchase experience to a payment process. After you choose order form, the editor typically presents template choices, so you can decide what the page will look like. Then choose a template. Templates are pre-designed layouts, so you do not have to build everything from zero. Pick the option that best matches the style you want. If you are unsure, choose a clean, simple template first. You can always edit the page content later. After that, click the Edit Page icon, which is represented by a magic wand. This is where you enter the page editor and make changes to the layout. You will use drag and drop tools inside the editor, so you should look for the area where elements can be placed on the page. Once you are in the editor, drag and drop the order form element onto your page. This action is what actually places the order form section into the template you selected. Position it where you want it to appear in the flow of the page, usually near the top area of the page after any heading or supporting text. After you place the element, configure the payment provider settings in the element. This step is critical because without correct payment settings, the order form will not be able to process payments. In the element settings, you will find the fields needed to connect your payment provider and ensure the purchase can be handled properly. Make sure everything you select or enter is accurate, because payment functionality relies on these settings. When you are finished configuring payments, click Save Changes and exit. Exiting confirms the editor applies the updates to the page. So the funnel step now includes the order form with the correct payment configuration. Now you will move to the order form tab in your funnel step and add a price plan. The price plan is what defines what the customer will pay for. In this tab, you will set the plan details so the order form has something to offer at checkout. Choose the plan information that matches your product or offer. Finally, click Save. Saving is what locks in the price plan and confirms the funnel step is ready for use. Once you have saved, you can return to the funnel overview to verify that the order form step is properly connected and configured. That covers everything you need to know, and that is all there is to it.